Tom, I'd say we got more Harley Davidson parts than one man needs. What do you say?
I think you're right. I think you're right.
It would be illegal to have a Harley Davidson parts online auction without the Mondovi Mafia being present.
Oh, we came down to check out the collection, man. The old Harley stuff is great to look at. Yeah, maybe I'll find a gem that I need to buy.
All right. And have extra high flow nipples too.
We're in St. Charles, Minnesota. We got Seymour in the house.
Seymour's in the house.
Seymour's in the house. We sold Seymour's Harley shop earlier this year.
Now I want to buy another one.
Now Seymour's going to reload. Ready for the reload.
Not today.
And it's Friday and we're at the open house, and Dan says, if you want to come between now and when the auction ends, come on over and he'll be here and take a look.
I think you're right.
We got it in St. Charles, Minnesota. Bid online, the auction ends August 13th. For more information, go to ProCountryAuction.com.